Hello and welcome. This is Nolan with Discover NC Homes and Nolan's News, and appreciate you listening. Really want some commentary on this video if you do watch it, or just some better explanation, because this is something that I necessarily have not wrapped my mind around or understand yet. But we are still in a good market right now, but it has been very up and down this year. Interest rates have been a huge part of this. So started doing a little bit of research. And this is, I did not know about this, but this is what I found out. So it's involving BlackRock, which BlackRock is the world's largest investment company, period, point blank, amen. They manage trillions and trillions of dollars. So in March 2020, which is about when COVID, or maybe just a little bit after, BlackRock they did a direct injection plan. And what they did was they put billions, about $500 billion into the economy, which, and that was March. By that September, and I don't know how they measure this, but the influx of money was 22% higher than it was. Now here is what I find a very interesting part. So the BlackRock plan further explains, for the first time in history, the Fed has hired BlackRock to go direct, and this is currently, buy $750 billion in both primary and secondary bonds, a product of which BlackRock is one of the largest purveyors in the world. Adding further outrage, BlackRock-run program will get $75 billion out of this roughly $500 that they're going to put in to, I guess it says, eat the losses on its corporate bond purchase. Now, the little I do understand is when the bond market goes up, interest rates drop. Okay, so there's a direct correlation there. So it looks like we're going to try hard to get this done. But the interesting thing about this, from what I'm reading, is they developed a bailout plan in 2020 or 2020 when they interjected about $500 billion into the economy. So they already knew what was going to happen by that huge influx of money. They have now been hired by the feds to implement the bailout plan that they, let's say, invented 5 years ago. So very just, I guess, interesting, and I do want some commentary on it, if anybody understands this a little bit better than I do. We are supposed to have 2 Fed rate decreases this year with their interest rate, which is wonderful because it will certainly start some of those markets up. But just, again, the way that it's all happening, it sounds like it's been or it looks like it might have been very orchestrated. So please, leave comments, send me articles. I'd like to learn more, but pretty interesting stuff. All right, thank you so much.